What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to build a campaign using Zeropark and an offer from Mobidea. So let's dive in.
But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Deberoo suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video.
Alright, so we're inside Mobidea, and in this video we are going to create a campaign, and we're going to create a couple of creatives for this specific offer. It's a very famous, well, I don't want to say famous, but known company, which is Norton. And Norton is a antivirus software that helps keeping your device, your computer or your phone safe and virus free. So that's the offer that we're going to promote today. It's a credit card submit for desktop, phone or tablet, and the payout is €46.35. And we're going to promote this in the United States. Makes it a lot easier because we can keep it in English. So other than that, no real special things to know here. All traffic is allowed. Don't have any banners. So yeah, all good there, and the offer, like I said, is an antivirus. So let's dive in. We're inside of Zeropark, and we're going to create a new campaign. So I'm going to press new campaign on the top right here, and this is going to be a push campaign. We're going to do a run on network because I don't have any whitelists or blacklists for this specific campaign. And we're going to call it USA Norton Security. Alright, that's fine. We're going to do just classic push. I don't want to do the in-page push for this one. And it's going to be CPC, or cost per click. And we're going to run in the United States of America. There we go. We don't have to fill this out because I don't want to target on any specific regions or cities. I just want to target the complete United States. So that's all fine. Language targeting, I could put this on English, which is up to 86%. Let's just do that. We've got 11.9% Spanish speaking people in the United States, or at least according to Zeropark, the traffic is 11.9% Spanish. I'm going to put it on English. And the suggested bid for the United States is 4 cents cost per click. So let's just apply that, even though we can go a bit higher if we have the right conversion rate, because our payout is quite high. So we have a payout of 46.35, meaning that, let's say if 50% from the people that click through to the offer page actually convert, that means we can have a CPC up to 23 euros. So a lot of room there, but obviously we're not going to have 50% of the people clicking through actually convert. It will be a little bit lower than that. Desktop and mobile, sure, for now. I might change that, but yeah, let's go. Frequency filters, that's fine. Non-adult traffic. Whoops. I don't need adult traffic, even though that could be an interesting take on it, because we all know that the adult traffic sites tend to be a little bit more risky to viruses and that kind of stuff. So it might be a very nice approach, a very nice angle to put it on adult and play in on that adult traffic with your creatives. So make sure that your creatives are made knowing that you are going to promote adult traffic. But in this campaign, we're not going to do that. We're going to focus on non-adult. I'm not going to do any day parting because I want to gather data before I'm going to day parting. That's basically my flow. I want to see, and I want to see proof before I'm going to optimize on this. So I could say, you know what, I'm not going to run in the night, but maybe in the night the conversions are the best, right? So I want to test that first. All right, so now we're going to focus on some creatives. So we want a image and a logo. So first we want our image to be 192 by 192. So I'm going to open up Canva and I'm going to create a new design. 192 by 192. All right, here we go. Open up Google Images and I'm going to look for danger. I'm going to look for danger. All right. I like this. Let's start out with this, but that's never going to be in the right dimensions, so never mind, by the way. Let's see what else is there. There we go. Cool. So, whoops, I don't want to save the link. I want to save the image. There we go. All right. Let's drag that in. And now we have our first image. It's a real popping one. It's a lot of red. I want to do one with some yellow as well, as that's also a danger color basically. But let's start out with this one. All right. Your device is in danger. Might be in danger. Might be in danger. Get rid of dangerous. Get rid of, let's do it this way. Get rid of viruses before it's too late. All right. Let's see if we can get a danger icon here. That's fine. Cool. Your device might be in danger. Get rid of viruses before it's too late. Okay. Let's do something else. Let's go completely in a different direction. So I'm going to actually look up the product itself, Norton. And I don't want the general logo, even though that could be fine because, like I said, Norton is a pretty well-known company. But I want something of Norton danger. A message from Norton that your device is in danger. That's what I'm looking for right here. Not exactly what I'm looking for right here. Norton virus. Okay, so we could do something with the logo itself. The Norton logo, but I kind of really want to focus more on the warning kind of angle. So, and that's not really what I can find here on Google. So I'm going to do something different. Device warning virus. Let's see. Virus alert, that's probably what I want. Virus alert. Something like this. And then we just want this part basically. Let's save it and see if we can crop it the right way. Get rid of this. We're gonna upload the new image and I'm gonna crop it myself because I want the warning to be really big. The image is probably a little bit too small. Yeah, the quality sucks. The quality sucks. I want something else. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can find something else. Virus detected. Awesome. Ooh, there's a huge watermark on top of that. So that's not what we're going to use. However, this one right here. Okay. Watermark. Watermark. So I just want this box basically. Nope. This is a tough one. I thought this was going to be an easy one right here, but I can't really seem to find the right image. This might work as well. But it's not really, so what I want to do, I really want to make it look like a pop-up that says like, hold up, you got to be careful right now because you've got some viruses and you really want to protect yourself. So watch out and buy Norton. That's basically what I want. So let's go with this one. It's not exactly what I was looking for, but it'll do. Beautiful. Thank you, Canva, for automatically cropping that the right way. Okay, cool. Let's download it. Drop it in there. Warning. Let's see if we have an icon for that. Whoops. Let's see. Warning. Perfect. I want one here too. All right. I'll do it this way. Cool. Can we make this bold? Probably not. Nope. Okay. Warning. Virus detected. Make sure to protect your device from viruses. Don't wait, we're gonna change this up. Your device has viruses. Make sure to protect your device and documents. All right, cool. So that's gonna look like this. Warning, virus detected. Your device has viruses. Make sure to protect your device and your documents. Cool. Let's do one more. Last but not least. Let's just get a warning sign. There we go. I want the yellow one. Or this one is perfect. Yep, that will do. So the yellow and the black really makes it pop out. So it's gotta grab the attention, right? We should crop it first. Drop it in there. Drop it in there. And download it. And now it's the right dimensions. Let's go into Zeropark. We drop it here. Your device is at risk. I'm gonna make this all caps. Is at risk. Viruses can, let's see, viruses can slow your computer, slow your device, and gather fragile information. Protect yourself. A little bit too long. Viruses can slow your device. Decrease speed and gather information. Protect yourself against criminals. Nope, just protect yourself. Your device is at risk. Viruses can decrease speed and gather information. Protect yourself. Alright, that looks pretty good. So this is where the destination URL will come in, but I don't have one just yet, so I'll put that in later. And conversion payout is auto, conversion capping is disabled, and campaign status after approval is active, meaning that as soon as it gets approved, it will shoot live. So that's where we're gonna end this video, but no worries, of course, there's always more to come. So, peace out.